Start.
Okay, so as again, our topic is Facebook. For starting, I would like to ask who of present or who does not have a Facebook account? Seriously? So explain how famous Facebook is. Okay, so introduction. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and it was launched on the 4th of February 2004. Initially, he had started with 4 of his other college mates. Facebook comes under the internet industry, and as we all know, it's a social networking service site. The corporate, the chief officer, operating officer,
Chief Executive Officer.
No, CEO.
COO. Okay, operating officer.
Okay, what is Facebook? It's an online social networking site. That means you can chat on Facebook. Users must register before using the site. Of course, you need an account to access Facebook. Without that, you cannot. It is available for a minimum age of 13. But since we all know, people below age of 13 also use Facebook, so it is addictive as well. Over 1 million active users. There are many people, all around the world, people are using Facebook.
Facebook today, estimated 20,000 colleges and universities are supported by Facebook. More than 650 million accounts exist already on Facebook. 80,000 profiles are added every day, each day. 91% of people said that they use Facebook at least once a day, like how every one of us go check our accounts, every day they use Facebook. 87% are contacted by unknown people who stalk, they have that habit to add unknown people. And 34% feel that Facebook affects their academic studies, the full day they are on Facebook uploading and all. Components of Facebook: personal information, you can share personal information, photos, videos, different types of groups, timeline and online games.
Okay, the advantages of Facebook: it's user friendly. I'm sure everyone here knows how to use Facebook. It helps regain lost contacts. Now, if you've lost touch with your school friends or relatives, you can get in touch with them via Facebook. Then new contacts, you can make new friends if you like to, that's optional. And it provides a safe environment for data transfer. And also communication skills are greatly enhanced. Okay, the disadvantages are that it distracts students basically from their schoolwork and their responsibilities. Misuse of Facebook by making fake accounts and stalking people like my friend Karthik. It's very addictive. People usually keep on visiting the site every other minute. I said internet stalking. And misuse of photos. They download the photos and then they Photoshop it and they put it up.
Apart from social networking and meeting friends and making friends, you can also build up business contacts on Facebook. It is nowadays used for PR. Various brands come up with their pages on Facebook so as to promote themselves. It creates a brand image for them and brand recall for the existing brands. Then, if you know, there are sites, there are pages on Facebook which display their products, and there are offers available that you can sell the products online. It is used for internal PR, like to give example, our class has a group, so you are informed about the lectures on it, as well as external PR, the XYZ page right now. Then you can advertise yourself, your brands on Facebook. There are pop-ups that come every time you click on a link. Then there are suggestions, like you can go and like certain pages, or there is an option whereby you can promote yourself and your page will be suggested to others when they search for something related to the industry or to the related topic. Ad spaces. If at all you have a page and you want to promote it on a larger scale, there are ad spaces available, but ad spaces are sold out. Like you have to pay to advertise on an ad space. Promotions, it depends. You can have pages, you can have profiles, groups, etc. It depends on an individual group. Next. Marketing on Facebook. You get daily updates of celebrities on Facebook. That is through the PR agents, and that is how Facebook is vital for celebrities. Then brand building. If you come up with a Facebook page, you automatically make it more professional, and your brand image is built up. Basically, you create a brand by adding it up on Facebook. Then brand recall. Existing brands update their pages daily so that the customers are updated about it on a daily basis. Then image building. Individuals who are struggling or trying to come up and make a name for themselves, Facebook is a good option. They can create pages and promote themselves, display their catalogs and their portfolios there. Online PR, it helps PR, like building a public relations online. Coming next up.
Okay, you can play games on Facebook. Like I spent around 2 hours on Facebook playing games. You can play poker, criminal case, farm bill. All of us are like very disturbed by farm bill requests, criminal case requests, and yeah. So next slide. Yeah, there are many applications like birthday calendars, event invites. Like you can get invites for events like for the freshers that was happening. There was an event made. So then there are horoscope applications. Every day your horoscope is being posted on your wall directly. There are weekly page updates that you see. So yeah. Now Ashna will continue.
Also, Facebook has tie-ups with SoundCloud, Twitter. SoundCloud is a music app. Twitter is obviously a social media website. Instagram is for pictures. Reverb Nation is also a music application. Skype, YouTube. And Facebook's competitors are Google+. Orkut was initially one of the main competitors since Orkut was the first social networking site. After that, MySpace, and now we have LinkedIn and Twitter also. Thank you.